Now this is the second part of video on exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2 second part. We have discussed the basics of the exercise 8.2 in the first video. Now see this ninth question. Whenever any algebraic expression is given to you, then in that case we have to see whether that can be solved further or not. In this case there are four terms, so we can take x square as common from the first two terms. X minus 1 is left. From these two terms, x 1 can be taken out as the common term, so x minus 1 is left over. So x minus 1 can be taken as common. X square plus 1 is left. X minus 1 can be deducted, can be cancelled out. We are left with x square plus 1 dx. So in the previous video we have discussed whenever some form is there, whenever plus sign is there, we can integrate these two terms separately. So x square will become x cube upon 3 according to the formula x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. 1 can be written as x plus c. See in this question, now we have to create a formula of whatever formulas are given to you. We have to create the expression according to that formula. Let us take these two terms separately. 1 by cos square x, sin x upon cos square x. Cos square we have written it separately. Why this form? Because this is giving a formula. 1 by cos square x can be written as sec square x, and we know the formula of integration of sec square x is tan x. Same way, sin x upon cos x is tan x. 1 upon cos is sec x. And again we have got the formula which we have discussed in the previous video. Tan x sec x is sec x plus c. Now see this question. E to the power 6 log x. Same way, we know that log a to the power b. This we have done in class 9th. Log a to the power b is b log a. So b log a can be written as log a to the power b. So b log a can be written as log x to the power 6 according to this formula. Same way, this can be written as log x5, log x4, log x cube. And we have discussed this result in the previous class 11th. Log a to the base e. When base e and e is common, then we can write this result as a. So in this case, whenever there is no base in log, then we can assume base to be as e. There is no base, so we can say it as e to the power log x to the power 6 to the base e. So this can be written as x to the power 6 according to this result. This can be written as x to the power 5. This can be written as x to the power 4. This can be written as x to the power 3. Now take out x5 common from these two terms, x3 common from these two terms. X minus 1 is left over. This gets cancelled out. X to the power 5 upon x cube becomes x square. So this is, integrate this value. This becomes x cube upon 3. Same way in this question. This we have discussed in class 10th, this type of question, whenever a plus b format is there in the denominator. So we have to rationalize the values. Remember, in integration, the answers can be different. Whatever answers are given at the back of the exercise in the answer sheet, that may differ. So yeah, whenever answers are different, whatever is given at the back of the book, then you have to recheck or cross-check the values whether you have done correct or not. So answers can be 2 or more than 2. So rationalize this value. 1 a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So like in this question, we have got this value. So take it separately. 1 by sin square x becomes what? Cosec square x. Integration of cosec square x is cot x. Same way, cos x upon sin x into sin x. Cos x upon sin x into sin x. Cos x upon sin x is what? Cot x. 1 upon sin x is cosec x. And we know that cosec x cot x is cosec x minus cos x. Minus minus is plus.